So, Thrilla in Manila, kay Muhammad Ali and Joe Frazier. It was October 1, 1975. Not only a world boxing event na nangyari sa Pilipinas, okay, kundi siyempre pride ng mga Pilipino ito. At kasama ko si Mr. Manny Rivera. Okay? Sir Manny, ano ba itong mga ang daming tungkol sa pagbaboxing o kung ako iisang boxing enthusiast, eto ko ngayon nakikita ko, ano ba ito?
Oh, Sir Abner, it's one of the greatest spectacles of the history of boxing. Thrilla in Manila, dalawang legendary fighter. It was a championship of each other daw. So my father was a reporter at that event. I was actually at this event.
Kinubera ng tatay mo itong event na ito?
Yes.
Okay, 1975, 5 years old ako, okay?
Yeah. You were 5, so I was 12.
You're 12.
Yeah.
Okay, so take off point natin ito at ang dami mong memorabilia na nandito. Sige sir, ikwento mo yung pwede nating mapagkwentuhan dito. Ano yung mga nandito?
So unahin natin yung Thrilla in Manila. It was at Araneta Coliseum. I have a little display, memories lang about Muhammad Ali.
Everything about Muhammad Ali.
So ito yung sa
Magazine
Araneta,
Daring.
diba? Sabi ni Dr.